Unfortunately, there is no built-in interpreter or a translator on this phone. Therefore, if you need to get one, you need to actually download an app that provides this feature. So let's go to the Play Store, and as an example, we can search for Google Translator. Or actually Google Translate. There we go. So let's install this app, and I'm going to show you how to find the interpreter or the live translator that can be used for conversations. Once you install it, simply open it. And then over here, as you can see immediately, we can see the prompt that we can switch to conversation, and then we can choose the, we can allow the permission to record audio so that you can use the microphone in order to use your microphone to talk to the phone or through the phone to provide the conversation. Over here, you can switch between the, not between, you can choose the source language and the target language as well. And over here in the top right corner, we can use the conversation mode, where we have two cards on the opposing side and the microphone button in the middle, so that you can you don't have to rotate the phone all the time, or you don't have to stand next to someone. You can just stand face to face with someone and they can read the translation over here. And you can also switch between different languages over here. Check out this playlist to find more guides. Like, comment, subscribe.